This is probably because you're hiding. This is probably because you're hiding what's really important to you and interesting to you. Because when you're among your tribe, when you're among your people, when you belong and you're a part of something, you never have to not talk about what's important to you. And this happens right here. You have many friends or people that you hang out with just because they're physically present, but you don't talk about those things that are interesting and important to you. Now, to fix this, what you need to do is start talking about those things that are interesting and important to you. It's an easy fix, right? But no, it's not, because maybe you spent so much time hiding, like I did, that I had no idea what was important and special and interesting to me. And so you have to go on that journey to discover that yourself. And you have to be alone when you do that. But if you need help working through that, I've got lots of tools and tips and tricks to help you figure out what it is that you're looking for and how to get to it faster. You don't have to go it alone per se. I'm here to help you.